What's up, family steaders? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to plant, grow, and harvest potatoes. First thing you want to do is put your potatoes up somewhere and just forget about them. Wait until your potatoes start to grow eyes before you put them in the ground. Plant your potatoes in loose and fertile soil for a great harvest. Make sure you plant your potatoes like this and not like this, because this is where your plant will come from. So you want the eyes facing upward. So plant it just like this. Your potatoes will be ready to harvest in 2 to 3 months, but you can actually harvest your potatoes after 1 month if you want them to be super small. We usually wait till our potatoes start to die back before we start harvesting. We planted our Yukon Gold potatoes exactly 3 months ago, so they are definitely ready to be harvested today. So we planted 21 Yukon Gold potatoes right here. As you can see, these potatoes have completely died back. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got right here. Potatoes are definitely one of the easiest crops to grow. Super easy. For everybody that was wondering, why is the garlic so dirty? Why we don't buy it like that from the grocery store? That's because before you buy your garlic from the grocery store, somebody does this. Check out how easy this is. Garlic has extra layers of the skin, so that's why when you buy garlic from the store, it doesn't look dirty like when we harvest it. Cut the roots off. Now it's just like it look when you buy it from the store. So I hope this tip helped you on your first time harvesting garlic. You don't have to wash off your garlic, because that will definitely increase your chances of losing your entire crop because of mold.